Hey there fitness enthusiasts and gym owners. Today we are diving into a game-changing tutorial that will revolutionize your gym success. Ready to conquer the challenge of winning over potential clients with the power of inquiry follow-up using the Easy Gym software. In a world where competition is fierce and decisions happen in the blink of an eye, the secret to success lies in the follow-up. Imagine this: turning a curious visitor into a dedicated client through an automated SMS and emails. That's the power we are unlocking today. So, are you ready to harness the magic of Easy Gym software? Let's turn those potential clients into your gym's biggest fans. Adding inquiries. To start, let's dive into adding a new inquiry to the system. Inquiry details. Fill in the essential details such as first name, last name, contact number, alternate number, email, and select gender. Schedule follow-up. Select the follow-up date. If the inquiry prefers a specific follow-up time, you can note that too. This follow-up will be shown on your dashboard. Assessment or trial date. Enter the preferred assessment or trial date. Status. Choose from pending, closed, or converted. Pending inquiries trigger follow-up alerts. Attended by. Assign the responsible person for the follow-up or conversion. Convertibility. Assess the eagerness to join with the options like hot, cold, warm, or expected payment. Inquiry sources. You can receive inquiries from various sources like the website, QR portal, or manually adding walk-ins. Just head to the second tab in the menu. Later, you can have detailed graphical report which campaign or promotion source is benefiting your business and which campaigns have higher convertibility. Inquiry for. Indicate the package or membership of interest. Response or feedback. Add feedback or remarks about your lead. Send text and email. Tick the checkbox to send automated SMS and emails, complete with links to your social media handles. Now your inquiry, who is walking out of the gym, they will have emails and SMS saying thank you for the visit, and your Instagram handle that can also follow to know more about your gym. This way, your Instagram followers will also increase. Follow-up management. The video transitions to demonstrate follow-up procedures. Inquiry follow-up is very crucial. Let's move on to how you can effectively manage the follow-ups. Dashboard navigation. Head to the dashboard and find pending inquiries in the left menu. View pending inquiries. On the right side, a table displays pending inquiries. Focus is given to the inquiries due to the follow-up today. Quick action buttons. Utilize the action button follow-up for quick follow-ups. No response. Automatically update and reschedule follow-up for the next day. Close. Mark the inquiry as closed, stopping further pop-ups. Create bill. Generate a bill with pre-filled details, updating status upon successful creation. Add or reschedule follow-up. Open a pop-up to set the next follow-up date, time, update convertibility and status, and also add feedback or updates. SMS or email. Select the templates to send SMS or email messages. Transfer. Shift inquiries between the employees. If you have any query, you can visit our website www.easygymsoftware.com, and you can also chat with our support team over the chat box. Thank you.